GM friends, Anthony from ArDrive, showing you how to upload your data with Turbo. I'm logged into ArDrive and I want to permanently store the video I made about buying Turbo credits. Let's go over to the New button, select Upload Files, I'll select the video, and click Open. I've got enough AR tokens to pay for the upload, but I want to hodl onto those, and it costs me a little bit less to use Turbo, so I'll use my credits to pay for this upload. Remember, there are no subscriptions when using ArDrive. All uploads are one-time payments. I click Upload, and my data is sent to Arweave through Turbo. Your upload speed is determined by your internet connection. Turbo guarantees that your data is uploaded to Arweave, and thanks to the fast finality that Turbo provides, I get access to my video faster than if I had uploaded it to Arweave directly. Just another benefit of using Turbo to get your data onto ArDrive. Happy uploading!